Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to change your TD Bank debit card PIN online in 2025. Whether you're boosting your security, recovering a forgotten PIN, or just wanting a fresh start, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. It's a straightforward process that only takes a few minutes, and we'll walk through it step by step so you can do it right from your phone or computer. First things first, make sure you're logged into your TD Bank account. Head over to the TD Bank website or open their mobile app. It's secure and user-friendly. Once you're in, navigate to the Accounts or Services section. Look for your debit card details. That's usually under Manage Cards or something similar. If you're on the app, it might be in the main menu, easy peasy. Next, find the option to change your PIN. It could be labeled as Change PIN, Security Settings, or Card Management. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your current PIN for verification. This is just an extra layer of security to protect your account. Smart, right? Now, the fun part. Choose your new PIN. Make it something memorable but strong, like a mix of numbers and maybe a special date. You'll need to enter it twice to confirm, so double-check for any typos. After that, TD Bank's system might ask for additional verification, like a one-time code sent to your phone or email. This ensures it's really you making the change. Once verified, hit Submit, and you're all set. Your new PIN will be active almost immediately, so test it out at an ATM or when making a purchase. A quick tip. If you run into any issues, like the option not showing up, make sure your account is up to date and you're using the latest app version. And remember, always log out after you're done for added peace of mind. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more banking tips and tech hacks. See you in the next video.